Jeremy played well. He's been playing with him for a while, and yeah, he came out and he played well, especially second set, got out a good point. But yeah, overall I've been playing well. I just finishing the season now, and here preparing. I think the result was expected. Kind of wanted to put up a better showing, but you know it is quality player on the grind, on the tour. Didn't really expect any less. It's good to play against him after quite a while, so I enjoyed it nevertheless.
I mean, I know his game pretty well. So, you know, I've trained with him. I've, you know, seen him play. I've played him before. So I kind of knew what I had to do going in. But yeah, it's nice to see him progressing, and it was I think I executed it well.
There was a few sudden death points that that were important. I don't think I won one of them actually, but it was good. I mean, happy with how I competed. Obviously, there's things I want to work on, but overall it was good.